solution that I could be brave. Is there anything?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Seana, and I have been working through a spring cleaning, clean with me, organize series on my channel. So today I am going to be tackling my little girl's bedroom. And we just moved her out of a crib, so I thought now was the perfect time to do a complete overhaul and really get everything, all of the junk cleared out so that we can have a fresh new big girl room. So let's get started.
In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast.
Y'all, I seriously cannot believe that my little baby girl is ready for her big girl bed. She is only 16 months now, and she was throwing all of her clothes and taking her diaper off and throwing everything out of the crib. So after really considering all of my options, I decided that she is not ready to be potty trained yet, but I think moving to a big girl bed has definitely helped.
You don't know, 'cause there's a part of you that never could let go.
Okay, so here we go. This is the last time Lila is ever going to see a crib. Oh, I can't believe that she is big enough for this, but it's really exciting too.
I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. I just wanna love you right.
Y'all, and I wanted to say here that I am so sorry about this lighting and this angle. I don't know what happened or what was going on, but I'm really sorry. Anyway, I am cleaning off her mirror and her dresser with some different cleaning products. The glass cleaner that I'm using is this Sprayway cleaner, and it is ammonia free. It is amazing. It leaves no streaks. And then the surface cleaner I'm using is the Method Surface Spray in grapefruit. So I thought that would give her room a nice spring, fresh, citrusy smell.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution.
Y'all, I had to keep in that sound because I just think it's the cutest thing whenever she says, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I wanted to have that recorded so I can look back on it for years to come and just remember how sweet my little baby girl is. Anyway, she got this really cute princess castle tent for Christmas, and I thought it was a great idea to put it in her room so she can have a little corner dedicated to all of her toys. And my favorite part is that it has a little flap on it that I can close down, and I don't have to look at all of her toys and clutter in her room. It all just looks like it's behind the castle door, so that's really nice. And now I am moving on to her bookcase, and I decided that after looking on Pinterest that I was going to take all of the books and organize them in rainbow order. So I do have, just on the bottom shelf, I have all of her board books there, so that that's really the only shelf that she can reach anyway, is the bottom shelf. So those books are a little bit safer and more sturdy for her to be able to, like chew on or anything. She really doesn't do that though. My boys, they chewed on their books. She has not yet. I mean, she's only not even 1.5 yet, so we'll see what happens.
You can make it too. It's not says who. You can make it. limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your...
And there we go. You see it's a rainbow order, Roy G. Biv. I think it looks really nice. It looks a little bit more organized and put together, even though it really isn't organized in any particular way. Okay, now I am moving on to her dresser, and really I am just emptying her drawers. I'm taking all of this junk out, and I'm gonna go through it at a later date because she today, I don't know what was going on, but she literally took 2 or 3 naps today, so I had to film this in very strategic little spurts throughout my day, so I didn't really have a whole bunch of time to go into the detail that I want to, so be looking for another video where I will be doing that. I am going to be doing a total KonMari clean out of her closet and her dresser, and as well as my boys' room and probably my room too. It's all coming, so stay tuned.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
And I do want to say too, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. My Instagram handle is at Seana Nicole, and I would love to get to know you and talk to you over there. So leave me a comment and let me know what your Instagram is, and I'd be happy to follow you too. Let's be friends.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is take all of the clutter and empty diaper boxes that I've been hoarding in here out of her closet and get all of the junk that's just been accumulating out so that I have just room to breathe in there, guys. Just need some space so I can breathe, y'all. Just, oh my gosh, do y'all feel me? Seriously. But that's what spring break or spring cleaning is all about, right?
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I smooth like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like...
Alright guys, we're all done. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm going to continue cleaning my house for the spring cleaning, and I would love for you to stick around and see what we have in store. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on Monday.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun